I'm Pat Shannahan with Holzfaster's Equipment in Ogallala, Nebraska. We service kind of the northeastern corner of Colorado and the southwest portion of Nebraska. Out in this area, the crops that we raise, corn, soybeans, some edible beans. In part of our growing area, we've got issues with allocation on water, things of that nature, so the conservation of water is always a primary concern for us. Nelson products for us have been kind of our primary service item for probably the last 15 years. About the time that the 3TN nozzle and those series of products came out is when we got in very tight with Nelson. Nelson's come a long ways since the first days when we were with them. Their customer service is outstanding. Stand behind their product, their willingness to back their product. They've done some replacements for things out here that I really thought went above and beyond what was expected, but it certainly has built the relationship with our customers and the loyalty to Nelson because of it. It makes it a pleasure to sell the product. Uniformity is paramount. The thing we get is some different pressure ranges with our wells, and with Nelson's broad product line we can do a lot of different things, whether it be the 3000 rotator or the accelerator, the new orbiter coming out. We can spread those pressure ranges out to do a lot of different things for the different terrain and topography that we have out here, and be able to come up with something that's a perfect fit for every field. It's a varying thing. There's some areas that our water table is just as stable as can be, but we do have some other areas where typically once a season they'll have to back down, and with the 3TN nozzle it's a very simple process. If it's a well they know they're going to have to do every year, the nozzle, the variable nozzle clip works great. The farmer can go through there in an hour, hour and a half, have it completely re-nozzled and ready to run. Well, futuristically, it's all going to be about conservation. Nelson is staying on top of that, but water is such an emotional issue, and it's going to continue to have more and more regulations, and we just have to find ways to raise more crop with less water, and I think there's some products that we have out there that are doing this. And